Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Shotcut Video Editor in a Windows 11 operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Shotcut Video Editor, you need to just simply go to your favorite browser. So I am currently in Google Chrome, and here in the address bar you need to just simply type Shotcut Video Editor download. And then you'll be seeing this https shotcut.org is basically our first search result. So just simply click on this shortcut download. I'll be also putting this link in the description so you don't have to worry about the link and all. And here this is basically the official site of Shotcut. In here you'll be getting under Windows this site one from FreeBSD. In here you'll be getting this Windows installer. So just simply click on that to basically downloading our Shotcut Video Editor, and you can see it has currently started downloading, right? So since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see that the latest version of Shotcut has been rightly downloaded over here. Now to install, just simply double click on it. And this is going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and you can see that our license agreement has been actually opened of our Shotcut Video Editor. So let us first minimize our download directory, and here you need to just simply check on this I agree to basically checking our license agreement and all, and this is going to be our installation destination, right? So you can always change your installation destination by just simply clicking on this browse, and you can do that, but I am going to keep this as a default, and then just simply click on next. And these are the files that they're going to be installed. So I'd also recommend you to check this create desktop shortcut and also remove shortcut settings from registry, right? And you need to also check that 285.8 MB of free space you need to have in your C drive. So do check that, and then just simply click on install, and then it will going to start installing our shortcut. So this entire process will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our shortcut. Yeah. So welcome back, and now as you can clearly see, our shortcut has been rightly installed, so it's completed. So just and here you can clearly see that our shortcut desktop icon has been rightly created over here, right? So just to open, just simply double click on it, and this is going to launch our shortcut, and you can clearly see that our shortcut has been started launching, and it has rightly launched over here. So this is basically the interface of our shortcut. So what I'll be doing is I'll be first simply maximizing it, right? And here you can see that we can create new project, and you can also see the recent project that you are opening over here, right? So first what I'll be doing is I'll be first importing one video file. So for that, just simply click on this open file, and this is going to open this window. In here you need to locate your video over here. So right, so I am currently in video directory. Here I have a video, so I just simply check that, and then just simply click on open, and this is going to open over here this video. So after importing your video, you need to just simply select this video file, and then you need to drag it over here to make it under your playlist, right? And next thing you need to do is you need to again simply click on that video, and you need to drag it to your timeline basically, yeah. And you can see it has rightly open in our timeline, right? So this is basically the entire timeline of this particular video. So from here you can easily cut your video. So let's say you want to cut at certain section. So let's say you'd like to cut at this section, right? So just simply go to over here, section over here, so that it creates into two parts, right? So it has right to create it into two parts. Now let's say you'd like to cut it at this section. So just simply go to that portion, and then just simply click on this split, and it will again going to create another part, right? So now let's say you'd like to delete this part. So just simply select that, and then just hit delete button, and this will going to delete it. Now you need to drag it, the other part, to this part, and then you can see that it has rightly created this two part over here, right? This two part. Now this is not smooth, right? So to make a smooth transition, what you can do is you need to just simply drag it to some part over the previous part, so that it has create a smooth transition over here. So now if you just simply click on play, see a smooth transition, right? So in this way you can easily edit your video. You can also create many filters. So for that, first select the video section you would like to make a filter, and then just simply go to filter, and then you need to just simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create any filter. So you can adjust your brightness, your color grading, contrast, and then all those things you can do, right? If you navigate to video, you will be getting more options, so many options you can do, right? And if you navigate to audio, you can do several audio settings as well. And if you move on to the properties, from here you can adjust your speed of this video. So let's say you'd like to make it as a 5px speed, and then if you just simply click on apply, it will going to make this part as very fast. So if you had select the entire video, complete video, and if you just make it 5px, so it will going to apply to that entire video. See, it has rightly diminished by that, and see a time lapse has been created, right? See, the boat is moving at a very rapid pace, right? So in this way you can easily install Shotcut Video Editor, and you can edit your videos in the Shotcut Video Editor. If you need more video tutorials on Shotcut, then please do drop a comment in our comment sections. I'll be happy to make more videos on Shotcut, right? So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.